shot this. From Macestown to Dallas. We're gonna show y'all how we get down to Dallas. What's going on, YouTube? We back at it again. This time we gonna be taking the Jeep. Y'all ain't seen no content Jeep, no content on the Jeep. Y'all, we gonna take the Jeep to go get tinted. As y'all can see, we in the fishbowl. We are in a fit. Nah, it's 10 already on here, but we gonna get it. We gonna get it 5%. Gonna get this thing tinted. We are going to my guy Audio's. We're going to Audio Zone. Some of y'all might know him by Audio Cat. So I'm gonna try to get him on camera and get his channel on my channel, so y'all could go check him out. He does a bunch of car content, but yeah, we actually about to pull. So we're here, and these are the services they provide. 3 kinds of services. Y'all get to choose what y'all want. We're here getting Jeep tinted, watching some YouTube videos. I see what he got. He offers all these. He also got kill switches. If y'all need some kill switches for the Mopars, you know, he got them. So we waiting on the Jeep to get tinted, man. He offered he gave me a good deal on the tint. The thing I like about it is lifetime warranty, so he's giving me lifetime warranty on the actual tint. I'm gonna take y'all around back and show y'all how the process is going. Yeah, this combo is crazy, man. I like it. Z51, guys. He just got the spoiler at it. Dang, tough.
The front is the front is a stage 3.
Oh yeah. Stage 3 style.
Yeah.
That's tight.
Only thing I'm waiting on now is to get the this part right here. This I'm gonna add that on there.
Oh, okay.
I actually got it, but it was the specs was off a little bit.
Man, that scared me right there. As close as he got.
Yeah, I know. Look, I'm like, man.
Oh man.
I got cameras on it, so that's why.
One eternity later.
So we got tinted up right here by the Audio Cat, Audio Zone. Yes, sir. Now we didn't get the front. We didn't do that one just yet. We wanted to get the little tint in the back, you know, so the kids could roam around. Oh yeah, y'all see what I got right here? Yes, sir. I went to go pick these up. I got two size 11.
1 week later.
It's an auto start before the exhaust work. Let me rev it one time. I want to show y'all before the exhaust. Might got some action right here. check out A&B Muffler Shop, number 14. They got multiple locations. They're right off of Main Street and 9th Street in Grand Prairie. Y'all come check them out, guys. They do great work. Check out the reviews online. I'm gonna try to get y'all this content so y'all can see the difference. Quería eliminarle los de atrás nomás por mientras, porque la quiero hacer que haga un poquito de ruido, porque si trae el 8. So, le cortamos estos, ¿no?
Si le cortamos esto y le ponemos los tips.
Ajá, esto. Y luego si la quiero hacer más
ruidosa después
abajo. Porque le iba a poner los cutouts, nomás que no se los he ordenado y no sé.
Los cromados, está ahí estío. Y está el otro.
¿Qué grandes son estos? ¿Esos son iguales? No,
no son iguales.
¿Esos son más grandes?
Sí, estos son.
Creo
Estos
que
más grandes y más caros.
¿Más qué?
Más caro.
¿Cuántos salen esos?
No sé, creo que son los
Okay. These?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them next to each other.
Yeah.
¿350?
Salen los rezanadores y los dos estos.
¿Cuántos salen estos? 125. ¿Y estos?
Esos 95.
Vamos a ponerle los dos al lado, aparte. Sí. Yo creo que esos, pero no. Chécate el espalda, That's paint. There ain't no wrap. There ain't none of.
¿Sabes que es doble?
Es doble
el tips.
Pero de aquí a aquí son 4.
Sí, lo que es el cromo son 4.
Ya. Y estos no se van a cambiar colores o nada.
Ese está inestilo, sí cambia de color.
Sí.
Sí, cuando caliente sí cambia.
Pero pues son
Ahorita
polish, ¿no?
Ya casi todo el material no se pudre, ¿no? Para poder irse.
Así van, ¿verdad?
Queda muy chico.
Ya. Estos apenas. So which one we gonna go with, guys? Which one y'all think? Drop a comment down below, man. Which one y'all think? These are 4s and these are 3s. 3.5. These might be 3.5, but I think we're going with these right here. What y'all think, guys?
Bien perro ahora el Jeep. Sí, ahí porque limita. Todavía tiene sí.
good. Alright guys, so I want to give y'all an update. So we got the hood done. The hood, we have got the tint also done. On the window, shout out Audio Cat for that. Shout out Audio Cat. And we went ahead and tinted the tail lights as well. Did some tint work there. What's next is gonna be the wheels. The wheels are gonna be next. So y'all stay tuned on that. But yeah, let me show y'all what I got with the tips. What y'all think? I think they look good.